Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make Samsung account in your Samsung Galaxy A10 series, how you can make the one. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start. First you have to go to settings option, then you can see the top of the setting. Here it is written Samsung account. Find your lost phone even if it is offline. Click on it. It is asking for sign in with Google, email or phone number, and you can also scan with your QR code. So you can use your phone number here. Then it asks for some checks of your following options. You have to enable all of these, and you have to enable I have read and agree to all the above options from here. Then agree. You have to write your Gmail ID, name and last name, birth, and you have to click on done. You have to just click on done option, and it verify your phone number. It is a two-step verification. Here you write again your phone number, and friends, you can see it asks for a code for two-step verification. Then check your another phone, then you have to type here, then you have to simply just back and verify this, creating a Samsung account with your Google information. And you can see friend, Google has approved, account created and connected. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.